Alright guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. As a matter of fact, this is the original opportunity you've been waiting for. Knuckle remover. You can see I've added all my additives. Are you getting it? Yes, and when I say additives, original additives, I don't want to say make names. You understand? This is my own secret. All right. But however, if you want to know about all this, how to make any of these products, how to treat your knuckles, or how to do whitening cream, or whatever you want to learn, how to make a face cleanser, how to make a stretch mark cream, and all that, you can always contact me via the number on your screen. Are you getting it? Then automatically you can see the way it is right now. Look at it. Look at it. Yes. Okay, you can see everything about this knuckle cleanser is perfect. It's perfect. This one you can use it morning, afternoon, evening. Then if you don't have time for yourself, you can use it morning, evening, morning, evening. You can use it any time of the day. Depends on how you want to work on your knuckle, how fast you want to work on your knuckle. Are you getting it? It will remove the knuckle, every bit of it, no matter how old is your knuckle. It will remove the knuckle. First of all, it will lighten it. It will lighten it. Then you also, because it all depends on you, because some people they'll say I don't have time for myself. How come you don't have time for yourself and you want your knuckle to go? Because the instruction says you should apply it like thrice in a day. And then when I say apply this thrice in a day, you don't follow the instruction, that becomes a way problem to you, because this is not from me. I told you how to use it and you didn't follow the way you were supposed to use it. So now you have to learn how to abide to instructions or rules. You understand? Because you see, from the first time you started using the lotion that gave you that knuckles, it's way beyond. It has bleach you, and the knuckle is just there. It has bleached for days, months, and probably yeah. Are you getting it? So now you just want the cream that will give to you to remove it in 2 days. That is not possible unless you want to go do peeling or all that. Even if you do peeling, the more you do peeling, sorry, the more you do peeling, after the peeling, the knuckle will come back times 3. Are you getting it? So the simple way you can treat this your knuckles is just you stay behind, and every time you apply it, even when you're at work, you can just go wash your hand and apply it for the right time, which is thrice in a day. But if you can't do thrice in a day, at least do twice in a day, not just once. Are you getting it? For you to see the effectiveness, and I bet you the effectiveness of this knuckle cream is 100%, because I know. Just that some people don't want you putting their pictures out there. You understand? And I don't like I like proof. I like the video somebody did for me the other time. The lady, she was so excited, she said she don't care. She show her face and she show her knuckles, stretch mark, and white patches and all that. She showed them all and how the cream did work for her. So, but some others, they don't like it. So I respect everybody's opinion, because that almost got me into problems some time ago. So I always take precaution. So that is that. If not, I would have been showing you a lot of testimonies. All right. So now, if you know you can't do all this, you can easily book. You can place order. We'll send it to you anywhere you are. If in abroad, UK, Canada, Europe, Asia country, we can send it to you. Look at it. It's just very, very too pure. Are you getting it? It doesn't have bad smell. No. I've put every additives, and all of the additives, they are original, because the basic truth is some people they don't know how to work. Not that some people they don't have the idea of how to make all these things. They have the idea, but how to get the original materials to do the work. Are you getting it? Some people say, I've learned how to do this, but it's not working. Yes, you have learned how to do this, but you still have to get the right materials. That is why I said you must learn how to get your customer right, and after that you stick to that your customer. Okay, so this is the opportunity I've given to you now. This is your knuckle remover. I bet you in a month, not I didn't say, oh, 2 days, 3 days. I'm not those who, no. If my lotion is going for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, I will tell you it's going for 3 days, 4 days. Are you getting it? But I think I've not done any lotion. I say 4 days, 2 days. Are you getting it? But I know 2 weeks for body lotions. I have all that. But this one is at least in a month. Your knuckle should be all lighter and wipe off, and your hand will be equal. When I mean equal, there's no two ways about it. There's no two ways about it. Equal. Are you getting no more dark elbows, dark knuckles? So make sure you go for this. So don't forget, we've come to this end of this review. Don't forget, we also ship out of the country to abroad. Okay, US, Canada, Asia country. We ship there. Whatever kind of material you want to buy, any material you want to buy, any material you want to buy for organic skincare, we sell them. Or cosmetic, we sell all of them original. So place your order now. Bye bye.